All right, we are live today at Microsoft Ignite in Chicago. And today we have Scale Computing. Would you mind start off by telling us your name and a little bit about your company?
For sure. I'm Nicholson, Solutions Architect for Scale. We are a hyper-converged infrastructure, so we're replacing a lot of customers that have VMware. With the Broadcom acquisition, price has been going up, so we're doing a lot of replacing the VMware infrastructure.
So we're out with the old and in with the new, right?
Absolutely.
All right. And then may I ask what brought Scale Computing to Microsoft Ignite?
This is actually our first time at the show.
Well, congratulations and welcome. I hope you're enjoying it.
Yeah, it's crazy. I myself haven't been to a show this big, so it's interesting, but we're branching out. We've been growing like crazy, so it just made sense to step up the show too.
And congratulations. As you guys can see, they have some really nice bombers from Scale Computing. Really cute. And then one last final question for you. How do you see, what AI initiatives do you think we should be focusing on that could better be to utilize within your industry or your company?
A lot of what we see is more governance, making sure it's not too powerful or not doing too much. It has what it needs to get done, but not full control of everything.
Yeah, so we still want to be in control of what AI can and cannot do without it going rogue, right?
Exactly. Maybe a little Skynet-y, but
Yes. Okay. I'm like, well, thank you so much for taking the time to interview with me. And again, congratulations to Scale Computing on being your first time here at the Microsoft Ignite conference. All right. You have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.